Singer and actor Rain revealed the love story between him and his wife, actress Kim Tae Hee, for the first time on Shin Dong-yup's YouTube channel. They met during a peak in Rain's career, and despite both not being initially interested in each other, Rain pursued Tae Hee. After being rejected multiple times, Rain finally got Kim to agree to a meal while he was on military leave, sparking the beginning of their relationship. Rain's persistence and determination paid off, as they eventually fell in love and got married. Their love story is a testament to not giving up on love, even in the face of rejection, and shows how true love can blossom over time.